Emily Barim ka so yung constituency ubala Julong Teng kung umentri gi kampo yeng ka jila Meghalaya uba HDR Lyngdoh aha ka laitere ku rimpang ula thep ya ka kerteng ka Jong na ka tiket United Democratic Party banyak konyi ka election MLA ka ban sa thep vote ha ka ar punyo tere ku rimpang hadeng ka jinga tre lang baga seng Congress uba HDR Lyngdoh ula mi no na ka ni ka seng ka Barim But pinya so bat ka seng UDP menchim snem haba keli ka ka daw ka papilong yu ban rem no ha ka election Jong arajar khatpra uba HDR Lyngdoh ula juba pa ko Overconfidence lani ka jingsngau shngan ka Jong kala pelong yu ban sharem no ha ka te ka kinti.
You ask the people, and I would rather ask from you, not asking from me. You have seen the performance, as you from the media, you have seen the performance of his performance in the assembly.
I have one last question. Can you, if you recall, what are the factors which has led to your defeat in the last elections?
Overconfidence. I am confident that I will bounce back. I'll bounce back. I want to join the regional party to uplift the regionalism in the state with a national outlook. Because I foresee the love and affection that the people has once again returned back to them. And definitely I will win without any contradiction. It is the voice of the people now. The voice of people. They are crying. They are wanting that the party of the regional entity should rule the state now. My priority, as what I've said in Khasi, to repair the damage that has been done in the last 5 years. The remedy will only come when the next government comes under the new leader.